Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. If you're suffering from a cold or flu, one of the first recommendations from the doctor is to drink more fluids, right? While water and other beverages are important for your recovery, many people also drink tea to help fight off the illness. The only downside to using tea to overcome an illness is the wide selection available. There are many types of tea that can help you, depending on your illness or need. The warm liquid in tea soothes the throat and helps with congestion. It also helps fight infections, which helps the body heal itself. If you add a little honey to your tea, it helps with coughs too. Today we're talking about a very effective combination: green tea with honey. It's effective in preventing and even treating colds and flu. Have you ever heard of this combination? Green tea is one of the most useful and widely consumed beverages in the world. Green tea is known to be one of the best sources of antioxidants and phytonutrients. Green tea is a health booster, but in combination with honey, it has even more benefits. Green tea is good for the heart because it helps keep the organ healthy and functioning properly. It also lowers bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol. Green tea with honey also fights bad breath, is good for bone health, especially in women, and provides a healthy skin because it eliminates toxins from the body. It also soothes and prevents colds by fighting the viruses that cause flu symptoms. Here's how to make green tea with honey. Write down the ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of green tea. Boil the water and add the green tea. Let it sit for 2 minutes and add the honey. Stir with a spoon and drink it immediately. Did you like to know this wonderful combination? Try this delicious drink to prevent and relieve cold symptoms. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.